Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to another video. Today we have a special message from our brothers and sisters from Northeast wishing about Mother's Day. So guys, today is a Sunday and it's a Mother Day too, and check it out. Wish you all, to all the moms in the world, to all the mothers in the world, Happy Mother's Day. Love you all.
Hi everyone, I'm Siwiliu Abonmai. Rai kajang boga apui mai Matthew too. A very happy Mother's Day. Januibo apui ting mi tiza wish to haye. Apui maksai ama tibo latgang hai. Rai tu bo tiza. Na mai dong yu de din si rai kajang mi bo lalle. Tisai fuilo apui mai dong nali warda de ziu wilo. Nali rahuwe tanne khadi manuan ne. Nali long set nai rathoi niu aliu tu pui tan khai biye. Apui mai dong naliu ra aliu mik niu ngobo rawang ye chizai niu thanai apui ting mik nai apui mai dong tu naliu tu longsa ye khadi naliu pa fungziu bam ra ye tu dimpat khaye naliu ri ga tingwang ne thoisan khaja khadi naliu ring ting thangja longbo pui dong chu lo.
Hello everyone, I'm Peikung pamei. Today I want to wish all the mothers a pink health, a prosperous and a long life, and I also want to wish them a very happy Mother's Day. Again, Chunwibo Puiting Mik to all the mothers, loving you so much. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, I am Peachnah Abonmai and I am among the blessed people because I'll be celebrating this coming Mother's Day with my mom. The truth is that no matter how old we are, if our mothers are still alive, we want our mother. Once again, kawibo apuiting make matut apui mai matu to junwibo luring ting things you ting wangu thoidam daw sanja lungbo tulo to sidin pat khaye. Thank you eh.
Matthew to Kawibo John, Azan Sai Lungliwangliu Chawang, Aram to Chamaye, Tingmik Pui Kawiwang Bokum Aliu Pui Mai Matthew na to Happy Mother's Day to the wish you
Hello guys, I'm Wigalungliu and I'm from Konsaram. I want to wish each and every mother Happy Mother's Day. A mother is like a flower, each one is beautiful and unique. Once again, Happy Mother's Day.
Hello, good morning everyone. It's me, Wigalungliu Ch. I'm from Ranglong, Wibenliu tribe. And I wish all the mothers a happy Mother's Day. May these special days be as lovely and perfect as you. May God bless each and every one of you. Have a good day.
Hello everyone, I'm Wimasenliu Marenmai. I'm from Machanglungbou. I belong to Lungliwangliu tribe. Wishing to all moms happy Mother's Day. Love you all.
Mahin na to kui monson azan yu sai Lungliwangliu Chawang kui long diga sunyu nthai nai kadipri ga bombor kang semslan wajiu khosong paman kung kami bo tingwang ben siam go sunyu ti wing kyu bo apui mai mahin na to chunui bo papui ting mi khati na luring ting bam then naga chunui ringa banu phui zilung lo chu ju judau khai khati wish you khai thomni.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Wibenliu Marenmai. I'm from Machanglungbou. I'm a Lungliwangliu tribe and I wish all the mothers a happy Mother's Day. May God bless each and every one of you. Have a good day, wonderful day. Bye.
Hello everyone, it's me Machanglungbou Shingbengmai, and today I would like to wish to all the mothers all around the world a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you everyone.
My name is Yarthem. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. I love you all.
I wish